How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now go to your Snapchat snap or that is Snapchat memories. Now from here you have to choose the snap that you would like to save in your gallery. For example, I have this snap right here. Now to save this in gallery, tap on this three dots icon from the top right corner. A drop down box will pop up in your interface. From here, tap on the last option that says export or send snap, tap on it. Now you have to swipe this menu bar on the this here to your left, and at the very last you will have a download option. Tap on download. Here it says your snap was exported. After you download that snap, now the snap is saved in your gallery. You can go to your gallery and check for that snap there. You will find the Snapchat photos in your gallery that you have exported recently. So that is how you can save Snapchat photos to your gallery, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.